can't do that. Back in action again in Pacifica.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, bring her. You're the recorder guy, Paulie.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Flood zone.
Flood zone, heaven.
See that?
Pacifica.
In Pacific. Let's go check it out. We're not supposed to go there, but
we're not supposed to go there, man.
we're not going to go there anyway.
Yeah, hey, if we float away, it's your fault.
Yeah, it's flood zone.
Yeah, if there's a big tsunami and the car is taken away.
Oh shit! Look at that wave. It's going down.
I'm gonna. Well, one thing for sure, I'm gonna be the last one standing. There you go.
That's it. We're going down, man.
Look at that. It's flooded.
Going down.
It's flooded.
Going
that means the road
down.
is closed.
Oh shit. There's no popo? Okay.
But wait a minute. Is there a way to turn this? I don't know if we can turn around.
Holy crap.
I don't know if we can turn around, man.
Flooded.
I don't know, man. Can we turn around?
Yeah, let's go across.
Oh, no, dude. Man. You're crazy, man.
Film that shit.
Look at this shit. Oh, my gosh.
It's going down.
I don't know.
Down, Pacifica,
there's
down.
No parking. Look, there's no parking. I don't know if it's a good idea to actually do this, but
holy crap!
You know, I didn't
fishing.
You know, I didn't even I didn't even take a crap this morning. You know
what the it's going down.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at all of this waves and shit. Wow.
What the what?
These are crazy people.
It's going
crazy
down.
People that's willing
to. Hey, look at this flood right here.
Listen,
oh my God! Right in front of my car. It's going down!
I don't think we can make it. Oh my gosh!
Down, man!
It's flooded all the way, dude. I don't know. No, Pacifica is actually closed. Can you believe that, folks? It's closed. But
the pier is going down.
But the pier is closed. But I don't know if we're supposed to be here. Oh man!
What? We're not supposed to be here?
Look, it's open though. Look, Pacifica's open.
Oh shit!
What does that mean?
It's open. Is open.
Oh, look at that. The gate is closed. Oh, is it? No, it's open.
Well, the gate's closed.
Oh, it's closed. Oh, man, I can't tell. It's too crazy, man.
Run in that Chit Chat cafe and yell, "You're going down!"
No,
you're going down, Chit Chat.
Oh, my gosh. I don't know, but there's crazy enough people that go through all of this, man.
It's going down.
Nah, either they have. Oh man, here is a fisherman that's willing to.
Yeah, look at him, man.
Take the risk.
He has to put his boots on just to walk in that muddy, floody water.
Oh, I always say that Crabzilla and Pacifica, they're crazy people. You know, they're from out of town and outer space.
Down.
There's a whole different kind of psychology here.
DOWN.
Oh my gosh! They even closed down the marijuana shop. What the hell? Oh no!
Holy crap!
No, this is not good, man.
This tsunami.
Look at that
tsunami, man.
Even the dogs are saying we're going down.
Can we get through this way? Can we get through this way?
Can we turn?
Oh, we can. It's going down.
I don't know. I don't think we should do it. It's a bad idea. Said their prayers.
Oh yeah. Build that house they're building there. See that house right there?
Oh, look at this.
That's going down.
Oh man, that's insane, man.
Right
over here is the water sewage treatment plant. Oh my gosh, man.
Oh, look at the pier.
Look at that.
Look at that pier.
You know, there's only one way out of here.
Hey, what happened to the other side of the pier? Oh, it's covered.
Oh, it's gone, dude. It's gone.
It's going down.
Look at this. Oh, man.
Wow, look at that.
This is not right, man. This is not right. You know.
Ah!
No, this is not right.
Oh!
I don't think we should. I don't think we should actually be here. You know?
Yeah, it's a little scary, man.
It's kind of like, you know,
I'm getting scared.
It could be the last moment of our life. I want you to know that you know, I was dragged into this. I don't have any idea.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Oh my God! Look at this! All these. Oh jeez.
So you're lucky the water didn't get you.
Dang,
you
man.
Died.
Felt like almost
you
like
Titanic.
Went down. It's a Titanic shit, you know. Or better yet, 2012 does not compare to 2017. Oh shit! Oh my gosh!
2017.
There you go. Oh, more puddles and And basically, even the golf course is going down.
All right, guys. You know, we risked our lives doing this for you right now. We could have got taken in from some
An undertow.
rogue wave or some undertone.
Oh, man.
Toad.
Towed off, man.
Could have took us in and,
We've been towed.
man, you know what?
Toasted.
All this excitement, our lives are like, we're scared, man.
There you go,
Scared.
man. That's right, man.
Scared.
I want to say to all my relatives in the Philippines, I hope they're still on the island over there.
Hey, let's go check out Rockaway.
Okay.
Then we'll go 7.
Oh, look at that. Oh, man.
Oh, look at that.
Puddle right there. It wasn't there yesterday. What the heck,
I
man?
gotta catch bluegills in there.
Oh, man. Look at man, you know, the salamanders and the bloodsuckers are in there. Oh.
Damn, this is crazy.
Didn't we stash our the zombie bodies
Crazy.
over there? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Another pool right in the
Freaking crazy.
right in the middle of a golf course. There's a lake.
freaking way.
Oh, man.
No freaking way.
Isn't that crazy or what, guys, huh?
Fishing.
Look at this. Now we're
Our
going to
fishing
another
spot is
location.
gone.
And there's a new fishing location right over there.
Fishing spot over.
Right there, see?
It went down.
Right in the middle of a golf course. You can fish right in there. See if you can catch
Don't
any
you move, truck.
new grass. Yeah, we.
All right, now we're taking the freeway up to Rockaway.
Oh boy, not right away.
Go Rocco.
Not
Go
right away.
Rockaway.
Not wrong way. Right.
The Rockaway.
Hey, maybe it's a side way. Look at this. Wow. Now this is a large amount of water coming over in
See,
Pacifica right
El
now.
Sharpo Park.
Look at that.
That's
And
Sharp Park there.
yeah, you know, I've never seen so much water in this area for a long, long time.
Yeah, it's really bad in Pacifica. Don't come here. Don't. Stay away.
In the 1970s, it was really
Your
bad.
life is depending on it.
Wow, man, and this is strange, and I've encountered a lot of accidents around this time. We just came from another accident about 20 minutes
Crazy
ago.
right now.
And
End of the
right,
world.
right now it's kind of dangerous, you know, to go anywhere right now. So I suggest everyone to stay inside. And there you go. Do you see those lights out there? Up there?
Yeah.
There you go. Another fire department emergency right over there.
Bad storm.
That's
Here.
right.
Bad storm.
Oh boy, this does not compare to your wife yelling at you or your girlfriend slapping you around. It's better to stay inside or run away. Run away. All right,
Bad
okay,
storm. We're risking our lives here, guys.
this is incredible. This is an incredible
Risking
moment.
our lives.
Okay, we don't know if we're ever going to come back, but you know one thing for sure.
Jaguar, don't go there, Jaguar.
Oh my gosh, these are crazy people at this time. I
Going
do-
the wrong way.
Now, I want you to know that the saturation is really bad here in Pacifica, Daly City. There's a lot of landslides around this time. We do know that there's even the cats and dogs are running away from the opposite direction. If you ever seen the movie Krakatoa, this is a Daly City Pacifica Krakatoa. Give me some crack.
Krakatoa.
There you go. And as you can tell, this is the other part of even though
Mayhem.
this
End
is
of the
mayhem.
world scenario. Cats and dogs sleeping together.
What the
I
hell?
swear, this is it.
Oh my gosh.
It.
Incest.
Pacifica
Oh,
going down. Look at that wave. Oh my God.
Oh, Jesus. This
Ow, ow.
all this
Look at
all
that.
of this is going to be gone, man.
Man,
We're
that's
gonna be
a
floating
big
away.
freaking
You
wave.
know. That's it. There's no
Oh,
way to get out of this one, folks. No way at all.
What the fuck?
I want you to know that this is not the right.
Are we here?
You know, we're risking our
Are
lives for
these
you
cars
to
here?
for you to get an
All the
entertainment.
cars are wet.
And as you can tell, you know, there is no, this is not a gimmick. This is totally along the way of Pacifica. Oh my gosh. As you can,
Yeah, man. This is Rockaway Beach, and everything is all screwed here.
in other words, go away. That's what it's saying.
Go away.
Go away, rock away. You see?
Go
No.
away from Rockaway.
There you go.
There's no fishing here.
Oh my God! See that woman right over in the corner right there? She's looking for a hubby. Right there. Lost her hubby right there.
Trying to commit suicide?
In the middle.
Ain't gonna work.
Lost it right in the ocean. Do you see that, folks? Terrible, terrible situation.
Damn,
there.
look at that big old
Right
sliver.
there, wow. That's about 20, 30 feet up, man. As you can tell.
No waves.
Oh, man, look at
No
this.
waves, dude.
Look at this, man. I don't see any surfers, man.
Man, this
All the
is bad.
surfers are out there, man. There's not even a brave soul. The only ones that's really brave is the fish. Yeah, but even the fish, they're away from the shoreline. You see that?
All right, Paulie.
Look at that.
Let's
Dang.
get the fuck out of here. It's too dangerous, man.
Yeah, man. This is crazy. Okay.
I need to use the bathroom.
Oh, man, look at the zombies.
Oh, look at that wave.
Oh, shit, man. That's crazy. Crazy.
You YouTube fans of mine think I'm gonna walk out there. You're crazy.
There you go.
Slow
There you
it
go.
down.
Oh, my gosh. The Rock of Gibraltar.
Damn, look at that.
Gibraltar. The river. Did you see that river, guys? There you go.
River of Doom.
Gibraltar River. There you go.
It's the river of Doom.
But isn't that right next to a toilet area? Anyway, that's the drainage,
The sewer drain.
the sewer drainage of Pacifica right there. As you
All right,
can
man. We're gonna
tell,
sign
right
off.
next to a coffee
man.
shop. Right next to a
I
coffee
was just
shop.
recording a bit too long.
Okay,
All right,
gotta go. Bye.
Crabzilla out.